This video discusses how to change out the fan motor in a 16-inch 3-speed Portacool unit. Before you begin, lock the casters to keep the unit from moving while you're working. Unplug the unit and store the cord. Never perform any service on a unit unless it's unplugged. Remove the pad flaps and pads from the unit. If you need more information about removing the pads, please watch our pad removal instructional video. Once the pads have been set aside, remove the 2 screws from the electrical box plate. The plate cover should come off easily. Find the fan motor cord in the electrical box and disconnect the cord from the switch. Cut the zip ties holding the cord to the brace. Remove the 8 screws holding the fan screen to the front of the unit. Remove the 4 nuts that hold the fan assembly to the unit. And pull the fan assembly out of the unit. Remove the set screw behind the fan blade and remove the blade. Remove the 4 nuts holding the motor mount to the fan motor. Discard the old fan motor. Install the motor mount to the new fan motor and secure with 4 nuts. Attach the fan blade to the motor shaft and secure the set screw. Install the fan assembly into the unit and secure with 4 nuts. Replace the fan screen and secure with 8 screws. Connect the fan motor cord to the switch in the electrical box. And place the plate cover on the electrical box and secure with 2 screws. Use zip ties to secure the cord to the brace to keep it away from the fan blades and clip the loose ends. Replace the pads and screw the pad flap back into place. If you have any questions or need assistance, please call Portacool Technical Support at 1-888-COOL-AID or 1-888-266-52 or visit portacoolparts.com. Replacement parts are available for all Portacool units.